Ready to turn your house into a space that practically runs itself? These Amazon smart home gadgets are here to simplify your routine, boost comfort, and make everyday living feel effortless. From hands-free convenience to clever automation, they handle the little things so you can focus on what matters. You'll find all the links in the description below. Think a small sink can't handle big jobs? Think again. This heavy-duty stainless steel sink is built from thick 11-gauge steel, so you get serious strength that won't dent or flex over time. The brushed finish hides scratches and keeps it looking clean with minimal effort. An X-shaped drain design guides water straight down, so your sink stays dry and spotless. You even get a pull-out faucet and built-in cup washer, letting you rinse every corner and glass with ease. Your kitchen wall just got a serious upgrade. This massive 21-inch Full HD smart display becomes your family's command center, streaming shows, showing recipes, and keeping your day organized in one place. Built-in voice control lets you ask for weather, set timers, or start music without lifting a finger. With integrated TV streaming, you can watch your favorite apps right on the screen. The auto-framing camera with 3.3 times zoom keeps you centered on video calls, so you always look your best. Say goodbye to messy pumps and sticky bottles. This touchless foam soap dispenser gives you a rich lather in just 0.25 seconds, so you get clean hands without touching a thing. 3 adjustable levels let you control how much soap you use every time. The built-in LCD screen shows the clock, battery level, and settings at a glance. With a rechargeable battery that lasts for months, you can mount it on the wall and enjoy a cleaner, smarter sink setup. Turn your ceiling into a private universe. This HD Galaxy projector uses a 4-megapixel lens, which means sharper stars and clearer planets without blurry edges. With over 20 preset scenes and multiple film discs, you can create thousands of cosmic combinations in seconds. It even fills large rooms with a wide-angle projection, so you feel fully surrounded. Control it with your voice, an app, or a simple button, and let the built-in timer gently drift you off to sleep. Your desk can finally do more than just hold clutter. This 3-in-1 Pegboard Dock combines storage, charging, and colorful lighting all in one sleek setup. One side keeps your tools and accessories neatly displayed, and with a simple flip, you get a full panel of vibrant RGB light. Built-in USB-A and USB-C ports let you power your devices without extra adapters. Sync it with your computer to unlock dynamic colors that react to your games and music in real time. Who says plants can't party too? This disco ball planter turns any corner into a sparkling show of light and greenery. Tiny mirrored tiles reflect sunlight across your walls, creating a fun, eye-catching glow. You can hang it with the sturdy chain, use the macrame hanger, or place it on the included stand. The self-watering insert helps keep your plant happy with less effort from you. It's decor, mood lighting, and plant care all rolled into one funky statement piece. Good lighting changes everything. This modern Vanity Light gives you 5 color temperatures in one, so you can switch from warm and cozy to bright daylight with a simple slide. The rotatable bar moves 180 degrees, letting you aim the light exactly where you need it. It's fully dimmable from soft glow to full brightness, helping you save energy when you want less light. Built with waterproof protection and long-lasting LEDs, it's made to shine beautifully in humid bathrooms for years. Step into the future of showers. This matte black digital controller lets you adjust water temperature with pinpoint precision for the perfect experience every time. 4 outlets give you full control over multiple shower features, all managed through soft touch buttons or a clear LCD screen. You can even use your voice with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant to start the shower before you step in. Smart water-saving features pause flow until you're ready, saving water without sacrificing comfort. It's sleek, modern, and built to last. Upgrade your brushing game in just minutes a day. This electric toothbrush removes more plaque than a regular brush while keeping your gums healthier. Smart sensors guide you to avoid brushing too hard or too soft, so every tooth gets the care it needs. 5 cleaning modes and an app help you track your brushing in real time. With 2 replacement heads, fast charging, and a travel case, your smile stays fresh at home or on the go. See every detail like you're in natural sunlight. This cordless makeup mirror lights up automatically when you approach, so you never fumble for buttons. The 5x magnification lets you focus on precision tasks while still showing your full face. Adjustable brightness and dual lighting modes let you check your look under daylight or candlelight. With a sleek rose gold stainless steel design, it's as stylish as it is practical. Brighten up any room without fuss. This modern flush mount ceiling light brings a soft, even glow with its frosted glass panels. The stylish patterned metal frame adds a touch of elegance to hallways, bedrooms, or kitchens. It works with standard E26 bulbs, letting you choose LED or CFL for the perfect brightness. Easy to install and built to last, it's a simple upgrade that instantly elevates your space. Imagine a robot that cleans smarter than you ever could. This vacuum and mop combo sees your home in full HD with dual cameras and makes real-time decisions to tackle dirt, dust, and spills. It glides quietly while avoiding obstacles, from furniture legs to pet messes, and adjusts suction or mopping as needed. The self-washing, self-emptying system keeps it fresh without you lifting a finger. With powerful suction and precision mops, your floors stay spotless every day. Keep an eye on your home no matter where you are. This smart video doorbell and outdoor camera system shows you everything in HD, day or night, with infrared night vision. Two-way audio lets you greet guests or check on deliveries straight from your phone. Motion alerts and dual zone detection mean you'll never miss a visitor or a package. With up to 2 years of battery life and cloud storage options, security is effortless and worry-free. Say goodbye to mowing stress. This robotic lawnmower works automatically, keeping your lawn pristine, rain or shine. It navigates slopes, paths, and landscaping with centimeter-accurate precision using a satellite-guided system. The app lets you set virtual boundaries, adjust mowing schedules, and change cutting heights, all from your phone. With easy blade swaps, simple cleaning, and anti-theft tracking, your yard stays flawless without you lifting a finger. Make litter duty effortless for you and stress-free for your cats. This open-top self-cleaning litter box tracks your cat's movements with 360-degree safety sensors, keeping them safe while cleaning automatically. Advanced seals and a brush strip lock in odors and prevent leaks, so floors stay spotless. It handles multiple cats and even kittens with a large bin that lasts up to 2 weeks. Plus, the app lets you monitor and adjust settings right from your phone. Take control of your workflow like never before. This ergonomic wireless mouse fits your hand naturally and keeps you comfortable all day. The haptic feedback panel and customizable actions let you work faster, while the ultra-fast scroll wheel zooms through long documents with pixel-perfect precision. Switch between devices easily with Bluetooth or USB-C and enjoy whisper-quiet clicks that won't distract you. Built to last and eco-friendly, it's productivity you can feel and rely on. Say goodbye to uncomfortable workdays. This ergonomic office chair molds to your body with adjustable seat depth, height, and tilt for a perfect fit. dynamic lumbar support, and a 3D headrest keep your back and neck happy during long hours. Fully adjustable armrests and a retractable footrest add extra comfort for breaks or reclining. With breathable mesh and durable materials, it's built to support you in style all day. Breathe easier in every corner of your home. This air purifier cleans rooms up to 810 square feet, removing smoke, pet dander, pollen, and odors with a powerful HEPA filtration system. Auto mode adjusts the fan based on real-time air quality, while sleep mode keeps things quiet at night. 3 manual fan speeds give you full control when needed. With a filter indicator and sleek design, it keeps your air fresh and your space stylish. Set the perfect mood with just a tap or a word. This smart LED table lamp lets you choose from millions of colors, or warm to cool whites to suit any moment. Use the app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google to dim, brighten, or change colors instantly. Its sleek design fits anywhere, from your living room to bedroom. With smart control and dynamic light effects, you can personalize your space effortlessly. Step out of the shower to warm, cozy towels every time. This wall-mounted towel warmer heats quickly, reaching the perfect temperature in just 20 minutes. 8 bars provide plenty of space for multiple towels, while a built-in timer and smart temperature control keep things safe and energy efficient. Its sleek stainless steel design resists rust and saves floor space. Easy to install and use, it turns your bathroom into a mini spa. Work, eat, or play right from your couch. This lift-top coffee table raises smoothly, giving you extra height when you need it. Underneath, a large hidden compartment keeps your living room clutter-free, while adjustable shelves let you organize books, games, or snacks your way. Made from durable, scratch-resistant wood, it blends farmhouse charm with modern practicality. Sturdy, stylish, and easy to assemble, it's perfect for any space. Upgrade your bathroom to first-class comfort. This smart bidet toilet opens and closes the lid automatically, so you never have to touch it. The heated seat offers 4 adjustable levels, and the powerful 1,000-gram flush cleans thoroughly every time. Multiple bidet modes and a self-cleaning nozzle keep hygiene effortless. With ADA chair height and thoughtful design, every visit feels like a spa experience. Step into the ultimate gaming arena. This 49-inch curved monitor delivers stunning dual QHD visuals with QDO LED technology, bringing colors and contrast to life. Lightning-fast 0.03 milliseconds. Response time and a 240 Hz refresh rate keep every action smooth and blur-free. Glare-free screens, adaptive brightness, and G-Sync/FreeSync support ensure you stay focused and immersed. With deep blacks and vibrant details, every game looks sharper and more lifelike than ever. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.